In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Zoho Cliq, regardless of the platform you're on, be it a Windows computer, a Mac, or something else. Keeping your apps updated not only provides you with access to the latest features, but also ensures security and stability improvements. Let's dive into how you can do this with Zoho Cliq. Let's start with updating the desktop app, whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. If you're on a Windows system, you have a couple of options. First, you can head over to Zoho's official download page where you can choose between downloading the latest installer for either the 32-bit or the 64-bit version. Alternatively, especially if you prefer convenience and automatic updates, you might want to consider using the Microsoft Store version. This can be a more streamlined way of keeping your apps updated without having to manually download and install new versions. For Mac users, it's equally straightforward. You can download the version that matches your system's requirements, whether you have an Intel-based Mac or the newer Apple Silicon. These options are readily available on Zoho's website. If you prefer using the App Store, that's another route you can take. Applications from the App Store normally handle updates automatically, which could save you a bit of time down the line. A quick note for anyone who might still be using Windows 8.1 or earlier. Zoho Cliq version 1.7.0 isn't supported on these older operating systems. This situation leaves you with a few choices. You can either upgrade your operating system to a more recent version that supports the latest Zoho Cliq, stick with version 1.6.4, or, if neither of these options works for you, switch to using the web app or mobile app versions of Zoho Cliq as alternatives. For those who wish to update manually, the process is pretty simple. Download the newest version of Zoho Cliq that's compatible with your OS from Zoho's website. Proceed with the installation. Typically, the new installation will simply override your older version, or it will prompt you with instructions on how to proceed. This method ensures that you're on the latest version without too much hassle. Updating your applications regularly is crucial for optimizing performance and keeping them secure. With these straightforward steps, you'll have your Zoho Cliq up to date in no time, ready to boost your productivity with the latest enhancements. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.